Now that you have signed up with AWS, it is time to secure your account. Before you start putting any loads on AWS, it's best to follow some of the best practices to make sure that your account and your subscription is always secure. In this short video, I'm going to show you what are the few of the best practices to secure your account. Let's start. In order to enable multi-factor authentication for your root account, simply click on your account and select Security Credentials. From the open page, select Assign MFA. Provide a name for the device you will be using MFA and select Authenticator app. You can use any authenticator application like Authy, Google, or Microsoft Authenticator. I personally use Microsoft Authenticator for all my MFA requests. Make your selection and click Next. On your phone, open your desired authenticator application and select Add Account. In Microsoft Authenticator, use Other Account and scan the QR code on screen to add account to your application. Open the newly added Amazon Web Service and enter the codes in MFA Code 1 and Code 2 and then select Add MFA. You can now see your root account is protected by MFA. Our next important action is to create an IAM or Identity and Access Management account and assign the required permissions to the account and use that to log in and manage our tenant. I will explain the details of IAM and its use cases in future videos. Today, we will only create a new group with full administrative rights, and then we will create a user and add the user to this group. Lastly, we will use our new user and log in to manage our account. To create IAM account and group, from the search bar, search for IAM and open it. This will take you to Identity and Access Management dashboard. From the left side, select User Groups and then click Create Group. Give your new group a name. In this example, I like to call my group Administrators so I can remember that the members of this group have full administrative rights to this account. All access permissions to groups and users are controlled with policies. You can create your own custom policies or use predefined policies. In this example, I would like to give my group full administrative rights. For that, search Administrator in Policy search box and select Administrator Access, then click Create Group. Your group is now created. Our next step is to create user and add it to this group. To create a user, click on Users on the left menu and then click Add Users. Give your user a name and allow your user access to AWS Management Console by selecting Provide User Access to AWS Management Console checkbox. Next, select I want to create an IAM user and click Next. Select a password for the new account or let AWS to generate a random password. Also, you can enforce the user to change the password on first signing. For the purpose of this demo, I will select a password myself and I do not require the user to change the password. Once you have entered all the information, click Next. Your user is now ready to be created, and it's time to add it to the group. On the Set Permission option page, select Add User to the group and select the administrators group that we have created earlier in this video. Then hit Next. On the next page, hit Create User. Your user is now created. You can see the console URL sign-in that you can use to sign in to this account. You can either use this URL or use the account ID for signing in. Now let's try logging in with the new account. Sign out of your root account and go back to sign-in page. This time around, instead of root account, select IAM User. Enter your account ID and click Next. On the next page, enter your username that you just created in the previous step and enter the password and hit sign in. As you can see, you are now logged in and have full access to AWS account. The only section that this user does not have access is the billing and cost management section. If you search for billing, you will see that your user does not have access to the billing page. This functionality is limited to root account, but you can assign this permission to IAM accounts as well. In order to do that, sign back into your root account, open up your user dropdown and select account. In the open page, scroll down and edit IAM user and role access to billing information. Then select Activate IAM access and click Update. Your IAM user now have access to billing account as well. To test it, sign out of root and sign back in with IAM account. Last step is protecting your IAM account with MFA. Simply go to Security Credentials and repeat the MFA steps for this user to enable MFA. I will create more detailed videos about Amazon Web Services and the security in future videos. If you're interested to learn more, please consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell icon to be notified when the new content is released. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.